No walking zone. You gotta run. Yeah, so you're gonna put it down and Ron gonna balance it. Ron, come up. Go lower, lower, lower it. Lower yours, Robert. Ron is there balancing up. Come up, Ron, come closer. Go in, Ron, go in. Alright, lower, Robert, lower yours. Lower, go all the way down, Robert. And bring in your chains now. You can actually kind of straighten out your forks. Kind of level your forks a little, kind of level, go forward. Yeah, kind of level it like. Tighten up now and see. You're good? Alright, I'm gonna let Ron move out now. Go up. Up. Back out, Ron. Keep going, keep going. All good. All good. Looking good, looking, yeah, perfect. You can, yeah, you can turn. All right, going in, going in. All right, yeah, that's you. Down. We work with it. Number 7. Press number 7. Shift to the left. Number 7. That's good. All right. That's good. Lower, lower. All right, number 1 and number 6.